Good afternoon, KHOU Meteorologist Chris Ramirez with your tropics outlook across the Atlantic basin. Here's what we're looking at. We have three areas of concern, one closer to home in the Caribbean and Gulf of Mexico. We also have Hurricane Kirk, which is a Category 1 hurricane. Also, this new from this morning, Tropical Depression 13, which will likely take on the name Leslie in the coming days. Closer to home, we're seeing this area of concern. Lots of disorganization currently ongoing. The National Hurricane Center is still keeping this at 40% chance of development within the next several days. We are expecting a very slow possible development with this system as we head into the next few days. So keep in mind that most weather models are keeping this rather broad as it enters the Gulf of Mexico. It's going to keep the center of that low well to the east of us, but it very well could give us some rain chances for this weekend here across southeast Texas. More of the heavier rain likely for the Florida Panhandle, but there's still some uncertainty with this system. We really need that organized low to form in the coming days. So also in the middle of the Atlantic, we have Hurricane Kirk. Category 1 hurricane winds at 85 miles an hour. This is moving northwest at 12 miles an hour. Kirk is expected to become a major hurricane. Behind that, we also have Tropical Depression 13, which was designated as from the National Hurricane Center as of this morning. As we look at the projected path with these two storms, these storms are going to remain over open water. Kirk expecting to get as high as a Category 4 hurricane, eventually coming into contact with some cooler waters, weakening into a Category 3 by Sunday morning. Tropical Depression 3 expected to become a Category 1 hurricane in the coming days. These expected to remain over the Atlantic Ocean, not posing a threat to Texas or the U.S. in the next few days. There's the environment across the Atlantic still favorable for tropical development. Upper 80s in the western Atlantic. It only takes 85 degrees or higher to fuel that tropical development. Some slightly cooler waters out in the middle of the Atlantic, closer to Africa, but across the Gulf of Mexico, we're seeing those ocean temps in the upper 80s, 87 closer to the Florida Panhandle, 88 just off the coast of Mexico. And just keep in mind that we are still in a busy period of hurricane season as we are still in October. We're past that peak date of September 10th, but October still rather busy as we are going to continue seeing active tropics, especially in the Atlantic basin. Of course, we have our next name is going to be Leslie, which is likely going to become out of what's going to occur with Tropical Depression 13. But it's just a reminder that hurricane season lasts until November 31st, and it begins once again on June 1st, 2025. And as always, you can get the latest tropics updates on KHOU.com and on the KHOU 11 app.